Defending champions Frazsiers Whip had to dig deep to overcome the improving Los Perfectos after a come-from-behind 2-1 victory in their Jamaica Women's Premier League fixture at Brooks Park over the weekend. Los P, who entered the game 3 points behind the champions, scored in the 33rd minute through Venicia Reed, but were outdone by second-half goals from Shani Spence and Christine Duncan in the 55th and 63rd minutes, respectively. Coach Courtney Dowdy of Frazsiers Whip said it was one of the tougher games his team has played to date, but believes that once some of the off-field issues are sorted out, they should retain their title.
Since probably the last 2 years has been one of the strongest teams, are the better teams we have played in the league. You know, we know coming to Brooks Park here is going to be very difficult. Yeah. You know, the rain itself as well. So I think that the result we got from here today was enough for us. And it's a tough game. I'm happy that this game is behind us now, and it shows a lot of things that we need to fix on the field at the training. So it's back to the drawing board for us.
Meanwhile, Los Perfectos, encouraged by their gutsy performance against their more accomplished opponents, blamed their loss on the injury to their goalkeeper, Tashana Levy, who was unable to stop Frazsiers Whip's second goal, a tame shot that rolled agonizingly close to her. Coach Ricardo Martin believes with their toughest game now behind them, they are serious contenders for the title.
The team that in the competition that is the best team right now. So if we should look at the matchup, then it boils good for us. So it's just for us to just continue, work hard, and I'm sure we'll be on the better side of the result the next time.